All right, everybody, we're here doing a review on the four-door Bronco soft top application for the moonshade. This is the real first time I've got to set it up in the field, and it is awesome. We are using it out here, as you can see. Out here, there's no trees. We're out in Wickenburg, Arizona, out at Vulture's Point, and just found this spot late last night. We didn't know where we were going to land, but we're in a bunch of swerve cactuses. Anyway, back to this. It added great shade for us this afternoon, and set it up just as that they suggested. So what you do is, anchor point is right here down to the tire, and that keeps it going. But what we found is that if you have an anchor point coming down here this way, then you can't slide backwards. Other than that, this has been excellent for us for shade. And I'll give it a little walk around. The moonshade is a great product. It's easy and compact, and pretty easy for one man to put it up in light wind. Anyway, that's my review on the moonshade. I didn't do a detail of how to set it up piece by piece, but it's pretty easy. There's a lot of videos out there. Anyways, that's it. This is Overlanders, Asian Overlanders that don't know what we're really doing. We're just testing our new products. This is our very first time out here and using some of these great products. So follow us along and like and subscribe.